तो फ्रेंड्स नमस्कार। फ्रेंड्स इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक काफी प्रैग्मेटिक और इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट आई है फ्रॉम द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट। और ये जजमेंट के कई काफी मायने हैं, क्योंकि इस जजमेंट में जो ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डिसाइड किया है, जो हेल्ड किया है, वो डे टू डे लाइफ में एवरी प्रोफेशनल एंड एवरी बिजनेस पर्सन सफर्स समवेयर एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। Friends, I am talking about Section 83 of the GST Act. Section 83 says that the revenue has the power to provisionally attach some properties, or you can say provisional attachment to protect revenue in certain cases. This section provides power to the government, to the officers, to attach your property if there is initiation of any proceedings under various chapters of the Act. The law says if the proceedings have been initiated under Chapter 12, Chapter 14, 15, and the Commissioner is of the opinion that for the purpose of protecting the interest of revenue, he can direct for attachment of the property. Now, the important point is there is subsection 2 also, which says that every such attachment shall cease to have effect after the expiry of a period of 1 year from the date of the order made under subsection 1. This is the catch, friends. Subsection 2 says that the life of the attachment shall be 1 year. After 1 year, the life of the attachment shall die its own death. And the important and the moot question put before Honorable Supreme Court and Justice Dipankar Datta beautifully analyzed the provisions and has held as under that 83(2) says that the life of the attachment shall be 1 year. Can the revenue officers extend this attachment, renew this attachment once again after the expiry of 1 year? And it was causing a lot of trouble because after the expiry of 1 year, they were again renewing this attachment, and again the bank account of that trader or the businessman was got attached again, and he was forced to shut down his business. So Justice Dipankar Datta in this judgment, and the judgment is the Kesari Nandar Mobile versus Office of the Assistant Commissioner of State Tax 2 Enforcement Division 5, and this judgment was initially pronounced by the Honorable Gujarat High Court, and now Honorable Supreme Court has decoded this, and I will read the last paragraph of the judgment for you, wherein Justice Datta has categorically stated the law says the judgment at the time of parting, Justice Datta says, conversely, when a statute does not provide for an extension, renewal, reissuance, revival, whatever to be the nomenclature, the executive cannot overreach the statute to do so. The very, very important point, when the statute is not whispering a single word about the renewal, revival, reissuance, whatever be the nomenclature, the executive cannot renew the attachment after 1 year. In the preceding para, it says, when the statute does provide for an extension, the authority thereunder is free to do so subject to such restrictions as may be imposed. But here, Section 83 does not provide any kind of power to renew the attachment. So with this judgment, now they cannot renew, and the life of the attachment shall be 1 year, and it will die its own death. Even the banks are not required to wait for any kind of letters from the commissioner's office to unblock your account, to deattach your account. So friends, this is a very, very pragmatic judgment, and it recently pronounced, which will be very, very useful, wherein if your bank account is attached, you can use this judgment. And I hope you find this video to be useful. If you have any questions, you can put your comments in the comment box. I will be happy to answer this. Thank you very much.